Hello guys. Welcome to another episode of REM Buzz. As usual, I'm your host Kaaz, and also my co-host or the fellow host. We got Callum with me.
Hi
So
everyone.
there you go. It's Saturday, 16th of August. We are heading towards slowly to the altcoin season, and I can see everyone's very excited. Everyone feeling very bullish. Everywhere you see people talking about altcoin season, and guess what? We can all feel it is coming. It's brewing slowly, bubbling in the background for a long time. There's probably the longest wait for everybody, but guys, I think we can see the bit of a light at the end of the tunnel now. So we're going that way. So saying that as the main reason, but all good things are happening. Let's keep the fingers crossed. So the Federal Reserve (SEC) actually end their like supervision program on crypto very recently. So what's that mean for us? That means they're pretty confident in what's happening in the crypto world. So that means all the crypto and fintech dealing, crypto related dealing are done. So it's going to fall under the normal bank supervisory process, which is normal. So crypto trading is normal. That's what I get out from there. So which is really good. And also, the President Trump back in the main chair, and all these executive orders they're signing. Other day we talking about the Genius sign, and also back for the retirement plans and whatnot, and it's all going that way. So I'm keep telling you guys, where's the RW heading, where the crypto market heading, and what's the impact to REM. Like you said, REM is always a utility backed project. REM, all right. A lot of RW projects are there, but none of them, or majority of them, can't back the project with the proper utility, with the institutional part of it. So what RDM done is, when we linking it with the institutional, we cover all aspect of that, especially the legal aspect of that. So that's what where we at with REM. So guys, it's a good project. We keep saying you see us every day. All right. There's nothing to hide with that. What you see, what you get from us. It's very transparent project. Please gather around and bag it up, right? So yeah, as usual, without further ado, let's see what's happening on the rest of the world. All eyes on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and also what's the impact for REM, and our REM is pretty steady. Let's go to our industry expert on that side. Callum, over to you.
Thank you very much, Kaz. And you know what, guys? What Kaz is giving every day is music to my ears. Think about it, right? Long time ago in Federal Reserve, central banks, when they talk about crypto, it was like highly speculated asset. Now they're talking about releasing that part and then having that moment, isn't it, Kaz? That's the
That's right.
moment of we are waiting for all this time. Guys, I have seen this like years back because Federal Reserves and central banks trying to come up with their own digital currency was reflecting all these things what you're doing. Guys, sometimes you can see the light at the end of the tunnel. You can
That's
see
right.
it, and you need to take action as you go on. And that's why we talk about REM as well. Real world asset is the next big thing, guys. If you don't get into it, $100, $200, something that you can spare. You put into that, you don't put in the whole lot. But then that's where REM pops in, guys. As Kaz mentioned, can't emphasize more. It's a utility token, and we make sure that we have sufficient utilities to actually make it happen or to back it up, right? So let's go
Yeah.
without further ado. Let's go to the markets, guys. I want to share my screen. You know what? Ups and downs, guys. Bitcoin is going up and down. Now, you know what? As I said, these ups and downs you don't need to shake, right? Before it was like, all-time highs, let's go to there, yeah. And then you go down a little bit up. Guys, we're in the bull market. This is the beauty of it. You need to enjoy this moment until we go back to the bear market. But still, you should enjoy the bear market as well because you would be DCA buying. You would be DCA selling. Dollar cost averaging takes the most out of it. So let's go to the Bitcoin charts, guys. This is the monthly chart. As I always check the monthly chart to remind you where we are. We are right down here. And this is very important that we understand we are in this bull cycle. So this is the last bull cycle, guys. And this was the last bull cycle. Look at this trend. So You should understand, guys. Let's look at this the measurement from here. I just want you to see the measurement from here to right up here is around 420%, right?
Wow.
Yeah. So then we go back here, right? Let's go right on the bottom right here. We'll get the measurement again too. And guys, right up here, what is that? That is 1,632%. Right? This is how much it's pumping up. Okay, all right. Let's go back again and see. Let me get the tools again. Okay, let's get the measurement tool again and go back from here. Right on the top here. What do you see? Again, 661%. Now, if our math's correct, we got a little bit more to go as far as I'm concerned, but always be cautious, guys, because it can be repeating the 2018 cycle. It may not repeat the 2022 cycle because we had two over here, right? We had two ups here, two right on the tops here. And this is something it's a bit unusual to other cycles. So you know what? We may not see that here. We may see the 2018 movement. So guys, we have to wait and see. So don't panic straight away. We have to see. Let's go back to something like an hourly or 2-hourly chart. Look at this. So whoever's looking at the current price levels, you go like, oh, it's gone down. It is a good time to purchase here if you know that it's going up. But guys, bull market is an indication that you shouldn't be taking at all any risks. You should be cashing out, or you should be putting money around here, not here. Look at this thing, right? Look, I'm a bit cautious, guys. I don't want you to burn out here. Everyone's pumped up here. Everyone wants to buy something from the crypto market. You know what? I'm very suspicious in these sort of events. If we're in the top in the bull market, you know what? Let's go to the Bitcoin dominance chart. Look, this is a beautiful indicator saying, guys, hang into your cryptos and remember to DCA sell, right? Again, a monthly chart, right? So let's go back to 2-hourly charts here. Again, the dominance is going down. So guys, be careful in what you do. Make sure you know what you're doing. Like this is the Ethereum chart. Let's go back to the 2-hourly chart here. This is the Ethereum dominance, guys. Again, let me do that again and reload. There we go, it's reloading. And we got the monthly chart. Let's go back to the 2-hourly chart. There you go. See that? The dominance is going up. It's going upwards. So you know what, guys? This is a great indication of an altcoin season. The dominance of Ethereum is going up, right? So this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. We have to be very cautious. Guys, as I always say, let me stop sharing and come to you. Guys, it's crucial that you keep calm, composed. Don't panic. Don't panic sell. DCA sell. Dollar cost average sell. Yes. Don't panic sell everything. Make sure you are well educated. That's part of what we do in REM. We want to educate our community. We want to educate whoever sees this video, and make sure that you would check REM buzzes, because this is what we give. We give the knowledge about RWAs. We give a knowledge about what utilities and how we utilize utilities as well. And Kaaz would update you every day about the news updates. So please don't forget to like and subscribe us. Inform your friends that there is a channel like this, and that way they can benefit as well. And you know what, guys, all the best in this journey, right, Kaaz?
That's right. Thanks, Callum. So, guys, that's really honest and really accurate information from Callum, right? Always do your due diligence, right? That's of course we always mention that too. But thank you, Callum. That's really great information and honest information for you guys, right? So, guys, before I go, pretty much what I want to sum up with today's episodes and all the what's happening in there, like Sorry. So while there are a lot of RWA projects in the world, but they are still building the hype with no tangible results, right? That's where REM, we actually design around the real estate backed utility, a proven high value asset class. All right. We didn't pull out anything from out of the hat and said, nah, guys, everybody knows about real estate. Everybody, that's most oldest common conservative investment. We build our utility around it. So that's it. So what are WA projects? What REM done is it's not just it's went from just an interesting idea to a global infrastructure. All right. With that, we finish up today's episode. You guys enjoy and have a great and safe weekend. Kaaz and Callum out. See you guys
Thank
soon.
you.